promise you, my babies, nothing's gonna happen to you. No, I'm not gonna let it happen. You're not gonna melt. Oh, we're filming? Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do a little bit of an experiment, and I have been waiting all winter to do this. I'm borrowing my Derwent ChromaFlow box, and this is just the tin. I took the pencils out. And I've got a little bit less than 24, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I have 17 pencils. They just happen to be out on my desk. And all different brands, just a variety. I just gathered them up. But I did include a brand new Holbein Soft. Okay? So this is the softest pencil that I own. I'm going to lock these in a box. I'm going to tape them up. And I have no idea what's going to happen. Okay. Taped up. And what am I going to do with this? I'm going to put them in my car. That might not seem so bad, but I live in Las Vegas. Right now, it is 10:37 in the morning, and it's 94 degrees. It's going to go way past 100 today, and it's a good day to do it because a lot of places don't reach these temperatures around the United States. And why am I doing this? It doesn't come up often, but some people do not like to receive pencils because they're afraid they're going to melt in the summer. And in the winter, they don't want them to freeze. They feel that they're going to become brittle. So I'm going to take these pencils and I'm going to put them in the car. And I'm going to leave them there for about 12 hours. Our temperatures stay high at night. It'll be 90 something tonight if it's over 100 today. So we don't cool down here in the desert. As soon as it hits 100 degrees, it's over. We'll see what happens tonight. Okay, I'm putting them in my truck. Can you read that? It's 175 degrees. All right, babies, you're in a metal box sitting on my dashboard. Oh, this is gonna hurt. Okay, let's go for it. Bye-bye, babies. Well, we've got 12 hours to kill, and I've always loved this picture. I want to do it in resin. We have 12 hours. We might as well do something. And yes, I have seen the melting crayons. I love them. It's dark out here. It's nighttime. And let's see how hot it is. It's 89.4 degrees in the car. Okay, let's get the pencils. So I got the pencils back. Now let's see how they are. I'm going to use my fingernail. Okay. Now let's take a look at this. Wow. Okay, we got some changes going on here. Now, can you see it yet? The tip of the Holbein melted off. Kind of just plopped off. And it's stuck in the box. Let's see if I can get this one out. Okay. So there's the tip of the Holbein. And there's the... It's melted onto the plastic. And you can see... So this is the softest pencil in the group. Oh, that's on pretty good. One side is flat. So we did have a little bit of melting, but it was on a very soft pencil. So let's see how they did. Yeah, doesn't seem any worse for wears. And this is the Luminous. Yes, this is Luminous. And here we have Faber-Castell with Polychromos. No, it doesn't seem any worse for the wear. And you're not going to be able to see this anyway. It's Crayola white. Or close to it's beige. Okay, now we have MarkArt. Look at that. MarkArt is an oil. And the Crayola is a wax. And I put the wax on first. And I can't color over the wax with the oil pencil. So you always put down your oil first, because I guarantee that I can probably put the wax, I can, over the oil. So oil first when mixing them. I have Sukon Art, Swukonart. I haven't reviewed these yet. I really like them. I bought a very small set, but they, besides being slightly crumbly, they're an awesome set. Okay, now we have Deli. No damage. Now I have the Holbein. Aw, our only damaged pencil, and it was only the point. Seems to be working fine. Monarch, which is Black Widow, and that seems to be doing fine. Chromaflow from Derwent. Okay, so this is the no-name brand. I forgot what I bought it under. It's supposed to be the same pencil as Black Widow. Slightly scratchier. And then we have Deli again. I love my Deli pencils. If you told me that the Deli pencil was a Polychromos, I would believe you. Okay, I did Inktense. And that's okay, except when it goes over the wax. And we have a watercolor by Derwent. I don't like the way watercolor pencils color. They're scratchy, but that's the way they are, because they don't have nice, smooth, creamy binders. And this is Naomi. Same as MarkArt, but that's one that says Naomi. And I even did Arteza. And Prismacolor. Okay. So now we know the only pencil that melted was my Holbein. So in the future, I recommend you not ship Holbein pencils in the really warm weather. It's the only pencil that was affected. And it was just the one pencil that is very, very waxy. I gave it a day to dry, and it came out really cute. So I gave it 2 more top coats of clear, and it really helped to bring out the colors. So I'm glad we can put away the question of whether pencils melt and eliminate any fear of having your pencils delivered in the summer. It was a fun video, and I will see you in our next one. Take care. Bye-bye.